Hello everyone. So in our last video we have seen how to upload a file into S3, right? And all the required configurations which we need to perform the operations on AWS, right? So in this video we'll try to finish the uploading this value, the tweet information into S3. So obviously we need to import some packages. Import Boto3, that's one of the package which we are using, right? And also I need to import the date time package because we already discussed why we want it in our last video. Come on, from date time import date, and also we'll try to import UUID. We'll see why we are importing this as well, right? Now if you see, right, so we have a body and we have the bucket and we need a key, right? So as I said, right, so how I want is I want an year as my main folder, and inside in year month, and inside the month I'll have a multiple folders based on the date, right? So that's why we imported the date folder here. So now let me take the today's date. We have date dot today, right? And then today equal to today dot, we are using string function time to get the date format as we need. Oops, I need first year because my root folder is in year, right? And followed by month, followed by day, right? So yeah, so we imported the package called UUID. So what it does is every run it will create a unique ID, right? So obviously, so this is how I am thinking to be my file name. My file name will start with the year, month, date, with the unique ID, with the username, with JSON extension, because obviously every time I upload a file it should have some unique value, right? There might be a case I'll retweet with the comment, right? In that case the ID won't change, right? So if we are just using the ID value to have my file name, there might be a case where when we retweet it with a comment I'll get the same ID, so which I may need to replace the whole data, right? To make sure we are using this UUID dot UUID1. Oops. Now let's build my key. Now key is equal to, I'll say today, right, plus slash, because obviously after date, say after year, month we have slash, but after date we don't have slash. So in that case what happen, if we don't have slash it won't create a subfolder. We have seen it here, right? So after slash, before slash it will be a subfolders, right? So that's why we have one more slash here, plus str of u underscore id, right, plus I'll say underscore, plus we have username plus dot json, right? Now we know how to upload the file, right? So we need to create an object for s3, boto3 dot client s3, right? Now we'll say s3 dot put object. So body is nothing but my values, right? So I'll say this is a dictionary, right? So obviously we cannot pass dictionary, even REST APIs. When you're uploading a file, it has to be a string, right? So bucket bucket equal to, so like this a different bucket here, and the key is the key which we just created, right? Now we'll try to run and see how it works. Let's run this first, obviously. Okay, now I'm just running this. Okay, it's waiting for the tweet. Let's tweet something. Yeah, it got tweeted. We'll wait here. Yeah, so we don't have any error. So by now the data should land in S3. Yeah, so this is the year, right? We have a month and we have a date. So for tomorrow, right, so if we get any tweets, it will create one more subfolder called 12. Inside that we'll have the respective tweets, right? So now we got the data. Maybe we'll try to tweet something else. We'll see if we got the data here. Yeah, we got it, right? Testing again with S3. Yeah, we got it, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. We'll in the next video we'll try to get some fitted data, and we'll apply some machine learning algorithm to predict if the customer is happy or not, right? So till then, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.